Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about assignment operator in C language. Assignment operator is used to transform as well as assign the value to any variable in an operation. In any given assignment operator, the right side is a value and left side is a variable. The value present on right side of the operator must have the same data type as that of the variable present on the left side. The symbol for assignment operator is equal to. Assignment operator is a binary operator that helps in modifying the variable to its left with the use of the value to its right. Let's see the example of assignment operator. Inside the main function we have declared two variables a and b. Value 10 is assigned to a. With the help of assignment operator we can assign the value to a variable. Now b is equal to a. Now assign the value of a to b. Then after that, with printf, display the sum of a and b. Now run this code. Now after the execution of this code, sum is 20. First of all, assign value 10 to a. Then after that, copy the value of a in b. Equal to is the simple assignment operator which is used to assign the right side operand or a variable to the left side variable. Next is plus equal to. Plus equal to is also assignment operator. This operator is used to add the left side operand to the left operand and then assign result to the left operand. First of all, inside the main function declare two variables a and b. Value 10 is assigned to a and value 20 is assigned to b. Then b plus is equal to a. Plus equal to is a assignment operator for addition. Then after that, with the printf function, display the value of a and b. Now run this code. Now after the execution of this code, the value of a is 10 and value of b is 30. b plus equal to a means b is equal to b plus a. Now the value b is 20, 20 plus 10, 30. Value 30 is assigned to b. And the value of a is 10. Then minus equal to. This operator is used to subtract the left operand with the right operand and then assign the result to the left operand. b minus equal to a. Now in this case, the output is a is 10 and b is 10. b minus equal to a means b is equal to b minus a. Now value b is 20, 20 minus 10. Value 10 is assigned to a. Then we have a multiplication equal to operator. The operator is used to multiply the left operand with the right operand and then assign a result to the left operand. b multiply is equal to a means b is equal to b multiply a. Now in this case the value of a is 10 but the value of b is 200. b is equal to b multiply a. 20 multiply 10, value 200 is assigned to a variable b. Then next is the divide equal to slash equal to operator. Slash equal to operator is used between the left and right operand, which divides the first number by the second number to return the result in the left operand. B divided by A. B slash is equal to A means B is equal to B slash A. The value B is 20, 20 divided by 10. Then the result is 2. Value 2 is assigned to B. The value of A is 10 and value B is 2. Then modulus equal to B modulus equal to A means B is equal to B modulus A. This operator is used between the left operand and the right operand. Divide the first number A by the second number B and return the remainder in the left operand. B is equal to B modulus A. B is 20, 20 modulus A, 10. Result is 0. Value 0 is assigned to B. Now in this case the output is A is 10 and B is 0. Let's see one more question based on assignment operator. Inside the main function we have declared one variable P and value 2 is assigned to it. Then P plus equal to P plus equal to P, then plus equal to 3. Then with printf function display the value of P. Now after the execution of this code the output is 20. P plus equal to 3 means P is equal to P plus 3. Now in this case the value of P is 2. Then after processing the output is P plus equal to P plus equal to 2 plus 3. 5. Then after that P plus equal to 5 means P is equal to P plus 5. Now in this case the output is P plus equal to 10. The value P is 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Then after that P plus equal to 10 means P is equal to P plus 10. The value of P is 10, 10 plus 10, value 20 is assigned to P. This is all about assignment operators in C language.